For the purpose of this demo, I'll be the customer strategy lead of a solar power solutions company. We sell solar panels and related services. Like many companies, we need to manage a transformation of our business model from a product company into an energy management as a service provider. Although we have the ambition, we currently struggle with operational issues. I'll show you how I analyze the declining revenue and customer satisfaction. Later, we'll see how we improve the situation and continuously monitor our transformation. Let's start the analysis. I open the Lead to Cash dashboard and Process Insights. Here we connect both operational and experience data. On the top, I see a decreasing trend of our sales volume. I use Qualtrics for measuring customer employee satisfaction. Unfortunately, I see negative comments from customers complaining about panel delivery and installation being misaligned. But also from our employees, I see comments about the internal misalignments. What's happening? To find out more, I open the process flow for Lead to Cash. It gives me a quick overview of the overall process from sales to delivery and to invoice. In addition, I see blockers and context information. All of this just out of the box. For sales order, I see a high order cancellation rate. Okay, let's compare these cancellations against some industry benchmarks. Unfortunately, we are clearly worse than the average. Before the cancellations, I see that changes are made to the sales documents. Why are there so many changes? Let's use process mining to dig a little deeper. I load my system process data into SAP Signavio. On the left side, I see those orders containing only solar panels. My order handling seems to be straightforward. On the right-hand side, I see orders with solar panels and services combined. These are the orders for which my cancellation rate goes up. Looking closer, the automatically discovered process map shows me a back and forth and loops within these orders. So clearly we struggle when customers need sales and service orders to be managed together. So we found the root cause. We need a better way to handle these combined orders. To document our current way of working, I simply convert the real process variance discovered from the data into a visual process model. I can later use this as-is model to simulate improvements. I now know what my current process looks like and how it performs. What can I do to improve it? In SAP Process Insights, I can not only analyze my business processes, but I can also get tailored recommendations based on my system data. These recommendations go beyond the technical root cause, and they include solution capabilities and pre-configured improvements. Considering we are struggling with a combination of different order types, product, and services, the top recommendation for us is Solution Order Management in SAP S/4HANA Cloud. Let's take a look at it. The new recommended capability offers a single order that manages combinations of sales and services. So solar panels and services in one combined order, this could solve our current problem. I could even add subscriptions into the mix for selling as a service. This prepares us for our future direction towards a subscription-based business model. Now, do you remember the complex as-is process model that I created earlier from our data? Let's compare it with the streamlined SAP S/4HANA Cloud process to find out how much simpler we could operate. For that, I use the simulation capability in Signavio. The simulation also provides me all I need for a compelling business case. I show this to our management, and it convinces them to move forward with SAP S/4HANA Cloud. This will solve the problem we currently face and prepare us for really becoming an energy management as a service provider in the long run. However, I can't wait as I urgently need to tackle some of the issues we've identified now. So can we find a quick fix? I reach out to Nick from the order processing team. He has an idea on how to automate the process. As a citizen developer, he proposes a combination of SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation and Workflow Management. Nick builds a bot that synchronizes the sales and service orders, and he adds a workflow that notifies his team immediately whenever one of the delivery dates changes. This solves the alignment issue. The team then adjusts the related order and ensures the on-time delivery of the combined solar panels and services. After a few months, the new submission order capability has finally been rolled out. My priority is now to enable the workforce and make sure they execute the solution orders following best practice. So I publish the process model and all work instructions in the SAP Process Collaboration Hub by Signavio. Here my colleagues can find information on the process and they can exchange ideas on how to better handle complex situations. Okay, Now that we have our improvements in place, let's go back to where we started and monitor the impact of these changes. We're now back in our lead to cash dashboard. Indeed, both the sales volume as well as our customer and employee satisfaction have increased. Great. We could stop here on a dashboard that visibly shows positive business impact, but considering we're talking about how business process intelligence drives business transformation, I'd like to take you one step further and show you the next level of process management. By enriching the static process model with real execution data, marked in blue, we can enable our business to really have a finger on the pulse of our operations. This is a major step forward. We can now continuously monitor and react to process changes instantly. This means process transformation is no longer a one-off project, but rather it's a continuous discipline. So now let's summarize this discussion. By combining experience and operational data, we were able to deeply understand our business processes and identify the root cause of our problem. Based on intelligent recommendations, we improved the order handling process by moving to S/4HANA. At the same time, this put us on the path towards becoming an energy management as a service company. So we've truly evolved on our journey towards an intelligent enterprise.